Most people sit down at ChatGPT, type a quick question, and get a generic robotic answer. They are treating the most advanced technology in the world like a basic search engine. To get real leverage, you have to stop acting like a casual user typing prompts. You need to become an AI architect. You need to build a customized ecosystem where the AI already knows who you are, what you want, and exactly how you work. The goal of this architecture is the 92/8 rule. You want to build a system where AI handles 92% of the repetitive execution, the drafting, the formatting, the research, leaving you to handle the final 8% of high-level creative decisions. To build this, you need three things: a ChatGPT Pro account, a desktop computer, and a microphone. The Pro account is essential for the advanced features we are going to use, and the microphone will save you hours of typing. Once you have these tools and adopt this mindset, you stop starting from zero every single morning. You actually begin building a permanent, automated business partner, your own personal intellectual property. Step 1 is establishing your identity. We do this by creating a master prompt. Think of this as a complete audit of your professional life, your business metrics, your role, your team size, and your goals. If the AI doesn't know who you are, it can't customize its work for you. Instead of typing all of this out, use your microphone. Tell the AI your basic job title and instruct it to ask you every question it needs to build a comprehensive master prompt. Let it interview you. Once you've answered its questions and it generates your profile, tell the AI to save the output as a PDF. Download that file. This document is now the portable brain for all your future AI interactions. Knowing who you are is only half the foundation. The AI also needs strict structural rules for how it speaks and formats text, so you don't have to correct its tone every single time. You hardwire these rules using the Custom Instructions menu in your settings. Type in exactly how you want the output to look. Tell it to use an 8th grade reading level, to format with bullet points, and to drop the robotic preamble and emojis. By pairing your master prompt PDF with these custom instructions, you never have to introduce yourself to the AI again. It knows your business, and it defaults to your exact communication style. Even with a strong foundation, AI can still hallucinate, making up facts or losing track of instructions. This happens because users dump unrelated tasks into a messy, endless chat window where context gets confused. To fix this, use projects, isolated architectural folders holding specific context. Upload your master prompt directly into this dedicated workspace. This containment strategy reduces hallucinations. Restricted to verified data, random errors are blocked, leaving clean, accurate analysis. Now let's look at how you actually execute work. In a standard chat interface, if you ask the AI to tweak one sentence, it often rewrites the entire draft from scratch, destroying the formatting you already liked. The solution is a feature called Canvas. Canvas splits your screen, turning the AI's output into a live, editable text document rather than a linear thread of chat messages. You can highlight a single sentence directly in the document and instruct the AI to change only that specific piece of text. The rest of your draft stays exactly as it was. By combining the secure data environment of projects with the surgical editing power of canvases, you can iterate your ideas into perfection without losing your original data. Once you have refined that Canvas document until the output is flawless, you want to capture that success. Ask the AI to write the exact system prompt that would have generated this perfect output from scratch. The AI will scan your final document and reverse engineer a massive, structurally complex set of instructions. That block of text is your proprietary system prompt. It is your intellectual property. But manually copying and pasting this massive prompt every time you need to write an email or analyze a report is an inefficient bottleneck. Instead, we need to completely automate it. Navigate to the Explore GPTs menu and click Create. Take that newly extracted system prompt and paste it directly into the Configuration Instructions field. You have now built a custom GPT. It acts as an automated minion that permanently remembers your exact workflow. Anyone who uses it, including your delegated team members, will get flawless results without needing to know the complex prompt behind it. Extracting your system prompts and locking them into custom GPTs shifts your role entirely. You are no longer a manual operator typing into a machine. You are the owner of an automated software asset. To test this engine, you open your new custom GPT. Instead of feeding it paragraphs of context, you type a minimalistic half-sentence command, like a name and a topic. You hit enter, and the GPT instantly generates a complex, perfectly formatted output. Zero background context required. Zero manual tweaking. To integrate this into your daily life, use a technique called habit stacking. Every time you sit down to do a repetitive task, take 10 extra minutes to build a new custom GPT for it. Pair the new automation with an existing routine. If you consistently audit your workflows and turn them into these automated engines, you stop working for the AI. The AI works for you, and that puts you entirely ahead of the 99% of people who are still typing blindly into a generic chat box.